Morning everybody. Mike's Ugly Flies is researching Gold Lake today. It's up on Willamette Pass east of Oak Ridge. It's cold, it's rainy, it's miserable, but I have caught a few fish. Let's see how the rest of the day goes. P.S. It's so miserable, I'm the only idiot out here. Before I get started catching a lot of fish, let me describe the flies I was successful with in a little detail. One of my friends suggested I show my ugly flies. The most productive fly is a size 14 crawfish colored pattern inspired by the bloody black leech I tie. In this case, it has an orange tail and a rust body and has worked well for me this year. The second fly I used was a size 16 Cope's calabatus as a dropper and caught a few with it. Had it been warmer, this may have been the top producer. I also used a size 18 soft tackle hare's ear as a dropper and caught several fish with it as well, including the largest rainbow at 15 inches. You can see how I got the moniker Mike's Ugly Flies, but they do catch fish. There's a fish. Hooked up again here on Gold Lake. I don't know how to describe how miserable it is out here today. This looks like this one might be a rainbow. Yep. Thinking, is it? Nope, it's another brookie. Another brookie. Pretty fish. I don't know how to describe how miserable it is out here. It's been raining and the wind is howling and it's cold. And I've only caught like 4 fish. There we go, there we go. Oh, nice jumper. I think I got my first rainbow today. Don't get off. I've caught a half dozen fish today, but they've all been brookies. Still using the crawfish pattern. Oh, and it's off. I think that was my first rainbow today. Oh, there we go. There's a hookup. Alright, this is fish number 3 here on a rainy Gold Lake. Still using the rust orange crawfish pattern. This one feels a little bit better. And here's another brook trout, decent size. This one's also on the rust crawfish. The other thing I'm throwing is a calabatus. I caught one small one on the calabatus in the net. All right. So the sign up at the front says keep all the brookies, basically. And then how big you are? 6 to 11. And let go all of the rainbows. So I'm gonna keep this one too. So we're doubled up here. Ed's got one. Looks like a brookie. I got one. I think mine's a brookie also because it's not jumping. Oh no, mine's a rainbow. Yep, this is my first rainbow of the day. Oh, I'm surprised because it didn't jump. And this one's on the calabatus. Oh. I haven't caught a lot of fish on the calabatus. How big are you? Let's see here. And he's off already. Let's see here. 7 to 5, 12 inches.
Yeah. And he keeps swimming into the net. There he goes. Yeah, you can't say curse words, Ed. Your cursor? So I'm with Ed, the man, the myth, the trout fishing legend. It's a fishing video. You can tell lies. They're called fishing tales. And finally found someone who's dumb enough to come up here with me. There we go. There we go. All right, hooked up again. Gold Lake. Still throwing the crawfish pattern. It looks like. Another brook trout. Ugh, don't go underneath the boat. Don't go underneath the boat. Uh-oh. Hung up on the net. In the net. Oh. About 12-inch brookie. A 12-inch brookie. Well, Ed's hooked up again. In the rain and the wind. Should rename this lake Miserable Lake. I got extra action on my fly from the shivers. Is it a brook trout or a rainbow? Like, it's probably what, 20 inches then, right? At least. Holy crap, it's cold. That is decent. That's dark. Yeah, good deal. There's a hookup. Oh, a nice jumper too. And he's on the soft tackle. Yeah. He took that soft tackle hare's ear. This will be only the third rainbow today. I thought he got off because he came running right at me. Oh, now it's off. He got off right there as I was trying to net it. That's the benefit of the barbless hook. That's the benefit of the barbless hook. Is you lose all the fish.
I fished Gold Lake over 3 partial days in 2024 and 2025 for my data gathering and returned this year to make this video. During the research period, I landed 51 fish with the best day providing 5.9 fish an hour. Productivity scored okay at almost 30 of 50 possible points. This was mostly due to the smaller sized brookies, which accounted for 2/3 of the fish. When I fished this year, productivity was similar, as was a brookie to rainbow ratio. Solitude didn't score high at 11 points, with multiple other anglers and kayaks on the lake each day. However, when the weather was poor, it was less crowded. Scenery, on the other hand, scored very well, with great views of Diamond Peak covered in snow to the south. Fishing ease and fly presentation were impacted by wind on some days, but also scored high, as did access to fishable water. The better fishable water is found starting just a few hundred yards off the shore at the campground. If you used a boat launch, you double the distance you'll need to travel. Overall, the lake scored just over 67 points with the potential to catch wild rainbows in a scenic setting. You can see the details of the scoring system in the project introduction video, which is also on my channel. For similar data on Oregon's top 40 trout waters, take a look at my first project, which is currently available through Barnes & Noble.
Thanks for watching that. Gold Lake can be a lot of fun, especially when the weather's nice. If you think the information was helpful and would like to see more, please watch the rest of my videos and please subscribe.